What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I did a smoky blue eye look. Yeah, that's about it. I did something different today. I talked during the video, so I hope you all enjoy. So leave a comment below if you enjoy this video, and subscribe and turn on the notifications. All that good stuff. So yeah, so here goes. I already did my eyebrows, so I'm going to start with my eyes first. I'm going to take my eyes so then I can have a more defined eye look. I'm gonna prime my eyes first so they last all day long. The first eyeshadow I'm going to use is this color right here. It's called Mineral. It's from MAC, and I think that was discontinued. So I'm gonna apply it on my upper crease with my 217 brush. No, my 222 brush. Then I'm going to take this brown crayon. It's like a base color if you want like more pop to any colors. So I'm just going to apply that on my lid. Then I'm gonna blend it out with my finger just a little bit. Then I'm gonna take this blue eyeshadow and apply it over the brown crayon with my 239 brush. Just a flat lid brush. Then I'm going to take the Mineral eyeshadow again and then apply it back into that crease and blend out the harsh lines with the blue and the browns. I prefer using the 224 brush because the 222 is kind of like stiff a little, so you need something a little softer. So I'm just gonna blend it out. I will be using this color here in Vanilla on my brow bone. Okay, so we're gonna take the tape out, and then I'm gonna start on my face, and then later I will go back and do the eyeliner. I'm gonna prep my face first so that the foundation goes on smoothly. I will be using this foundation stick, and I'm going to apply it all over my face with my 191 brush. This little thin brush here. And then that too. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend everything together. I'm gonna take my concealer and apply it on my under dark circles with my 195 brush. I'm gonna set my powder with this MAC Mineralize Skinfinish Natural and Medium Golden. Use my 129 brush. I'm gonna blend everything out with my 187 brush. I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow called Phloof, and I'm gonna apply it on my tear ducts with my 219 brush, pencil brush. So I can brighten up my eyes a little. Then I'm gonna go back to that mineral eyeshadow and apply it under my lower lash line. If you want, you can add a hint of the blue eyeshadow on the lower lash line. I will be using the eyeliner from NYX, so I'm just gonna apply that on my eyes and then create a wing look. So I'm going to create a line. Okay, I'm gonna apply this eyeliner on my waterline from Urban Decay. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. So next I'm going to apply my false lashes. Okay, so I'll be contouring my face with this color in Shadester from MAC with my 168S brush. I will be using this blush right here, and I'm going to apply on the apples of my cheeks with my 116 brush. So I'm gonna smile. So next I'm going to highlight my face with this. It's called Emphasize with my 184S fan brush. I'm just gonna apply it right here, and then with my 140S brush, I'm gonna apply it on my forehead. So just right here. And then the tip of my nose, well not the tip, but like right here. This brush, the 224. I'm just gonna do that. I don't like to contour my nose either, so. Okay, so now the lips. I will be using the Kylie Lip Kit in Harmony. It comes with the lip liner and the liquid lipstick. So I'm just gonna line my lips and fill it in. I hope you enjoy the look.